Hello everyone, this is Kinit Below. So, may papakita ko sa iyo na impromptu trick, no? So, first of all, I have your deck of cards that are shuffled. So, let's shuffle the cards. Okay. So, kunwari meron tayong spectator, no? Na i-shuffle yung card. Okay? Okay, so pwede din ito sa borrowed na deck of cards. So ito. So as you can see, yung cards shuffled na, no? So ngayon, pipili tayo ng tatlong cards. I mean, yung spectator pipili ng tatlong cards. Okay, so pipili siya ng tatlo. Yan. Dalawa. Tatlo. Okay. So itong tatlong cards, yan yung selection niya, no? So King of Diamonds, the Ace of Spades, and the Queen of Hearts. Ganda yung napili natin, oh. Set aside natin. Lalagay ako ng 1, 2, 3 at 4 para sa cards natin. Okay. Square mo lang. Okay, so ang gawin mo, okay, sabihin mo sa spectator na, okay, pili ka ng isang card, lagay mo sa ibabaw, no? Sa first deck dito. Okay. Okay, cut ka ng ilang cards dito sa second deck, lagay mo sa first deck. Next, yung second card selection mo naman, lagay mo sa second deck. Card kasi ikatlong deck, kahit ilan, tama mo dyan. Okay, next, third. Okay, ko na ito lahat. Okay. So yung card, hindi ko na alam nasan yung card, di ba? Okay, shuffle muna tayo. Okay, hindi ko na alam nasan yung card kasi nasa deck na yung card. So anong gagawin ko? Simple lang. Okay. Sabihin mo lang kung nakita mo ba yung selection natin, di ba? Okay. First, sabihin mo lang na stop kung nakita mo ba yung card. Wala pa ba? Ako. Wala pa din? Wala ba? Okay. So ito, set aside na natin. Lagyan natin dyan. Ito na naman. Kukunin natin. Let's do it again. Wala pa? Wala din? Nice. Okay. Saan ba yung card natin? Okay. Nasaan na yung card natin, mga pare? Wala pa din. Okay. Ulitin natin ulit. Last. Wala pa din, oh. Nasaan kaya yung card? Okay. May natira tayong tatlong card. Ano kaya to? The King and the Ace. Simple lang, di ba guys? Okay. Kung gusto nyo manood yung tutorial nito, please hit the subscribe button here. Hit the subscribe button. Tapos like my videos and hit the notification bell icon from here. Dapat nakasubscribe ka para tuturuan ko kayong paano gumawa nito. Simple lang ito, no? Ito po yung pang beginners na trick. What's up? Nandito ako para turuan ko kayo yung trick na yun, no? So simple lang yun. Okay, pwede mo ibigay sa kanila yung deck, no? Okay. You can give them the deck of cards, then you can tell them, okay, shuffle the cards. Okay, shuffle the cards. Okay. You can do it everywhere. You can do it, no? Okay. Let's shuffle the cards. Okay, next. What you're gonna do is you're gonna tell them to pick 3 cards, no? And that's their selection. Okay, so let's pick this one. Okay, this one and this one. Okay. While memorizing their cards, you know, all you need to do is get the deck of cards, then place 4 piles of cards. Okay, this is how you do it. The first pile, you put 10 cards. Okay, so the way I did is counting by 3s. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 10. Okay, so put the first pile in here. The next pile is 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Next again 15. So 10, 15, 15, and 9. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay. Make sure you counted them properly, or otherwise your magic will fail. Okay, so next, the last one is 9. Okay, 3, 6, and 9. So perfectly count. So I counted them by 3s. Okay. Okay, next. First step is you ask them, okay, kuha ka ng selection mo, pre. Tapos lagay mo sa first pile. Okay, so kuha siya ng first pile. So 8 of diamonds, lagay na dito. Okay. Ganituhan ko na lang para makita nyo kung ano yung labas ng trick. Okay? So next, sabihin mo sa kanila, okay, cut ka dito, pre. Kahit ilan. Tapos lagay mo sa first pile. Okay. Cut natin kahit ilan. Lagyan natin dito. Okay. Next, the second selection, lagay natin. Okay, same thing as pa rin dito. Okay. Next, dito. Okay. Tapos, yung last, kunin mo lahat. Lagay mo dito. Lagay mo doon. Lagay mo doon. Okay, next. Pwede ka mag-shuffle ng fake shuffle. Okay. Yung ginawa ko is ganito. Okay, so fake shuffle again. So, nandun lang yung mga cards, hindi yan mawawala. Okay. So, next. Ito yung first step na memorizein mo, no? So, first is lagay ka ng first is face up. Then, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, kita mo? Ito yung card natin. So, lagay mo doon. Okay. Keep doing this until the card are already finished. Okay, we keep doing this. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, same thing again. Okay, same. First is up, face, then down, then face, and down, and face down. Okay. Okay. Okay, the third level is yung down na naman. So ito. Yan. Simple lang to, no? Pang beginners magic. Okay. Last. Yung last is gawin mo yung first step na ginawa mo. So face up, down, face up, down, face up, down, and face up. Okay. So yun na yung last. So kita mo na yung card. Okay? Okay, salamat sa Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, hit the notification bell icon para ma-notify kayo sa every videos ko. Okay? So, kita tayo sa sunod na video ko. Bye!